And that was my Zerg, too.
I know,
I am
right? Fuck them.
annoyed.
Fuck these assholes. That's what happens.
Meh.
Indeed.
They should just really implement something where an insta-quit or like a under 30-second quit just doesn't affect anyone's anything.
Isn't that what they've done? Isn't it that like after, before a certain amount, it doesn't affect your MMR?
Yeah, then
Isn't that
why
why
the fuck
people
do
like play
people
for a
do
little
it?
bit then wait?
Yeah, I
I
don't
don't know.
know.
I mean, people are still stupid as fuck. I
If
feel like a
so, they
lot of
should
people who
announce
insta
it
quit.
more, yeah.
I feel like people who insta quit, like more than not, they wait at least a minute or something. I mean, not a minute necessarily, but like a few seconds.
I see a lot like that, what we just saw.
I know, but you also see things that aren't there. You see illusions, my friend. You see lies.
Well, the Lord saw fit to give me Zerg again.
I'm still deep in the same hell I've always been.
I made Templar the other day.
God damn, whoa! Merry Christmas and Rosh Hashanah to you, motherfucker! Wow, we Templar.
In fact, wait, were you in? Was it a 3v3 when I? No, maybe not. Dude, Thor dropped me, and I fed back the dropship, which didn't kill it, but then that was enough for the cannon that came up just as he was trying to leave to kill it. It was really a beautiful moment.
Wow, very
Mostly,
nice.
I applaud anyone willing to fucking doom drop
I know, right? Thor dropped in the, like, for that matter.
into basically into this base right here. Yeah. It was pretty sweet. Pretty sweet.
You're a big sweetie pie.
I applauded him. Gave him props.
Just close your door, so I hope you're happy. Tell me if you want me to open,
Shut
or
the
should I
front
open?
door, and it's fine. I can take this gold inside.
We require more minerals. We require more minerals. We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
Heh. Sucker.
Our allies are in combat.
Oh no! You got it. You're cool.
Yeah, I was still better than him.
Alright, if you could let me out in 1 second, I'm just gonna try and get lanes on the towers. And you may close it. If you so desire, you know, whatever.
If you feel okay about it, I'll leave it open.
I do.
It's more for you than for
What's
me.
that coming up
Oh,
to you?
stop him! Stop! Oh, he's gonna see my shit. He's gonna see my
Sorry.
shit. You didn't stop him, you fuck.
Hey, he might... Wow. What?
He's checking the door.
He's poking the door. Oh, here he is. Sending more dudes. They're going. They're coming. They're coming and going.
Our allies are in combat. Please, that don't creep.
run them around. I'm coming.
One second.
More overlords.
Where the hell is that speed?
We must place that on creep. Metamorphosis complete.
Let's find a thing right here. I'm gonna hit it in a second. Alright. He's just taking a base, I think, right here. I'm busting his rocks instead, because, I don't know, I'm waiting to get more stuff out. Oh, oracles, or the annoying shits. Oops. Marines found me, but the oracles are coming. You prepared for that?
Nope. Even in the slightest. Where?
Up here. So they're coming to me, probably.
Coming to help you.
I'll be alright. I'm gonna have spores.
Just in case.
Or at least they were down here. I don't know where the fuck else they would be going.
As long as he gets me get my... Alright, he let me get my shit up, so... Gonna make, stuff.
I spawned all... Yeah, there he is. You see him? Dude spawned all together way too many... Or I spawned all together way too many lings, so I'm gonna try and run in. Yeah, here he's coming up around. Wait! That's not your sensor tower, is it?
No.
Oh.
It's too far over there to be mine.
Oh, it's a PF! Harley.
Interesting, really.
Killing this sensor tower. Oh, Jesus. He's got a lot of Marines. Fuck. It's all Marines. I need blingies. Yikes. Alright, a lot of Marines and Oracle is all I've seen so far.
Our forces are under attack. Our forces
I do feel like they're exploding like nuts.
It certainly seems so from the tower. What is wrong with the people that we're playing against right now, man? This is more than I asked for. And,
I know, right? I expect this from Tom getting all diamond or whatever.
oh, but not for me,
Shit
thanks,
off.
Dick.
Yeah. Dude, we're bronze. We should be bronze.
It's good to know my place.
Dude, you and me both, man.
under attack.
Jesus. My illusions. Fuck. You're rough, dude.
The problem is he ranks highly, but does... Oh, Phoenix now. Oh, my overlords are fucked. I got nothing for this Phoenix that shoots up at all.
Really? I'll help you.
Tech to it.
No, I got it. I got
Oh,
stuff.
he's swell. He's right here.
Don't worry, it's just an hallucination.
Strong hallucination.
I know, right? So we've had those before, though. Nothing new! Nothing new under the sun, Ethan.
Yeah, yeah.
We've been here before, old chum.
Well, I'm sticking to the ling, trying to get bling, trying to spread creep.
You would.
Yeah, I know, right?
I'm gonna go try to hit something with my face.
You like how I'm not creeping on you?
Love it.
Yeah. Why am I floating? Alright,
Oh, here they come.
getting queens. Or, sorry, infestors, I mean.
Here they come.
Allies are in combat. Our forces.
No, he's gonna spot my blings! Oh god, all my overlords.
Don't worry about it, baby.
Yeah, that Thor would be beautiful.
Just that, I mean,
I'm just gonna get spores, but... my overlord speed is researching.
Unacceptable command.
I mean, I got blink speed if you ever run into the bajillion marines.
Metamorphosis complete.
Wow, being completely hopeless against these phoenixes is really humbling.
Jesus Christ, do I need to make air?
No, I'm getting spores, but...
Jeez, it sounds like I need to make air.
Complete.
Oh my god, you're queen, dude. Christ almighty.
No, don't go all the way down for it.
I'm doing it just to...
If you're gonna go all the way there, at least kill him.
Nope.
You know.
I'm gonna back away immediately.
Our allies are in combat. We require
Fester's on the way.
more Vespine gas. Unacceptable command. Not enough energy. We require more Vespine gas. Spawn more overlords.
Alright, got a ton of infestors. And blings.
Metamorphosis complete.
That's right. Fuck yo shit, girl. Fuck yo shit.
Oh, that might have been too many drones I just made. That's cool, though.
Mineral field depleted. Our allies are in combat.
Yeah, kill the phoenix.
Yeah!
Finally. One. Wait, there's that shit down there. Look at that, the rocks.
Let's see it. I'm ready for it, don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'm not ready. Just gonna kill some shit.
Alright, then let's not rock
Field
it.
depleted.
Oop, oop, oop. I'd prefer to be on the creep, but yeah.
Just back it up then.
Yep.
Mutation.
Yeah, pull him back. If he wants to do this on the creep, it's so much better.
Mineral field
But
depleted.
I'll do it anywhere.
I know you will, you dirty whore.
Yeah, right.
Mineral field
Doing it?
depleted.
No, I'm trying to draw him in. I'm trying to draw him in. My tank fire.
Fuck it, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Feel okay? except for the fact that I just lost a lot of stuff.
Our forces are under attack.
Oh, whatever. It's just a tank.
Allies are in combat and mineral field depleted.
He's trying to counterattack over here on the upper left, but fuck him.
Our allies are in combat. Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Oh, he's got his own widow mines, or is that your widow mine?
It's probably still mine, right, or no?
Nope, it's his.
Why does he have to be such a dick?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Well, these tanks trying to kill my
I'm
base.
killing a base here.
These tanks are killing my base.
This is gonna work alright.
Mineral. Our allies' base is threatened.
Coming back.
Mineral field depleted. Our allies are in combat.
Alright. You alright with that? Coming up there.
Feeling good, baby girl.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, nice, nice.
Our allies are in combat.
Got rid of the observation tower that he had.
Oh, nice. That was kind of annoying there for a while.
Yep. Wrecked it.
Our allies are in
And life is still tough, but
Can I come somewhere and party with you?
it's only if you want to get fucking rock hard. Look at all these Thor. Look at this Thor.
I got lots of lings. It's beautiful for that.
You gotta come help me kill it then, because I'm killing off all these void rays before I die, but it's tough. I'm dying.
I see it, I see it. Alright. Wait, come join you.
Come join me. I'm waiting down here. I'm about to be maxed upgrade for my mech, so
It's a good place to
let's
be.
see. I need 30 seconds for each, so we don't have to wait for that. We can go.
Take care.
Sure. Oh, look at this!
Nice.
our forces.
Oh, hey, the Thor, the Thor. Dude, are you here? Are you going down south?
Oh, it's over here. In here. I can come up. I'm coming up for the Thor. Ready? You plus me plus the Thor equals queer. Let's do it. Yes.
Got the voids fungled. That should do it.
Yes. Seems like a little bit of the proper.
Killing a base with infested Terrans. What fun.
This guy made PFs like in every single location possible.
Yeah, I've noticed.
Jesus Christ, it's really bad. Like, the infection is bad. Ready to rock.
Sure, I mostly damaged the BF, but didn't kill it.
Here come my guys. I'm ready to Rizzy.
Sure, so
Okay, we're going down.
Our allies are in combat. Our forces
oh, man.
under attack.
Oh, pretty cool. Taking these rocks.
Our forces are under attack. Mineral field depleted. Thespian guys are exhausted. Our allies are in combat. Mineral field depleted. Our allies' base is threatened. Our allies are in combat. Our allies are in combat.
Uh-oh.
Mineral field. Our forces are under attack. Our allies are in combat. Mineral field depleted. Thespian guys are exhausted. Our forces are under attack. Our allies are in combat.
Got a base never left.
Into these Thors, pretty much. Oh, they keep preferentially attacking the cannons, which is silly of them.
Our allies are in combat. Thespian guys are exhausted.
Oh, they're my lings.
Mineral
Gonna
field
go hit this PF.
depleted.
Oh, never mind. I'll hit my Thor.
Allies are in combat.
Wait, you're dead.
I killed about 5 of them. 6,
I'm just
7.
moving. Can't afford to be seen.
Oh, don't be seen then.
I'm actually doing just fine.
You got a bunch of SCVs here.
Oh, why? Oh, is that what it is? They're all pointing to that?
Is threatened.
Oh.
Our allies are in combat.
Oh my god, why are you guys not mining? Ha! That's so funny!
Changing the high impact payload.
Oh, that's like what it was made for, baby.
Our allies are in combat.
Send it in the
Our
cracklings.
allies' base is threatened.
What's left? Trying to retake these bases. Oh, Archons! That's good against me.
Our allies' base is threatened.
What is that? Oh, there's one Widow Mine here. Scan it. It's in your line. Tickle it. Coming to help with that. Or not. You can just, you know, finish it yourself. Had a pretty decent hold in a mining base line.
Our allies are in combat.
Didn't get to cancel off that time, buddy.
Our allies' base is threatened.
Well, I'm just gonna keep streaming the cracklings. It's kind of fun.
Mm-hmm.
Our forces are under attack. Allies are in combat.
Need to keep injecting though.
Everything's
Kind of down to one mining base. Uh-oh. Lag City. No, come back again.
Our forces
There.
are under attack. Our
Come to the light.
threatened. Our allies are in combat. Our forces are under attack.
yeah, whatever.
Base is threatened. Our forces are under attack. Our allies are in combat. Our forces are under attack. Our forces are under attack.
Oh shit! Help with this. Ew. Or yeah, you can open it. I can come out.
Mm-hmm. Just want to close it for a sec.
Are under attack.
Oh, I dig it. Oh, he's flying off. Great. Thinks he can do something with I don't know what he thinks, honestly.
Threatened.
GG, buddy.
Mineral field. Our forces are under attack. Our allies are in combat.
He's got 3 Tempest, granted with 24, 32 Fog, and 26 kills. That's impressive.
Vespene guys are exhausted. Our allies are in combat.
Base here, but that's cool, man. I feel your frustration, brah. Nice, nice, well done. After
Well done.
shenanigans in the beginning there.
Well done.
Indeed. Meow.
What? No, no, no.